This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay.Mitman. Nice one-bedroom efficiency apartment located within 2 blocks of Center Square. Very clean and neat throughout. Laundry facility is located within the building. Many windows, very bright and open floor plan. Easy access to all downtown events and festivals. Off-street parking is provided. No pets, no smokes, credit score over 700. Income requirements. For more information, review the details below or contact Clay.Mitman at 610-253-6123.